Here are one of the line posts. I've got to staple these. What I'm using is a barbed staple. Got two sizes. I've got the 2" and the 1 3/4. These are 8-gauge wire. Barb will pretty much keep from pulling out very easily. And I usually use 2 on a line post, as you can see here. So I've marked my spacing for my 5-wire fence. So let's put a couple of staples in. You can use your fence pliers. That's what they're handy for. You don't have to carry a lot of equipment. It's a hammer, wire cutter, staple remover. I mean, it does it all. To do the staple removing, I usually use another hammer or another stapler to get driving that in there so that I can get that pulled. But for this demonstration, and to be honest, I usually just use a hammer. It gives me a little bit more strength. So what I want to do is pull the wire up to my line, and then what I'm going to do is put a staple about 2 inches off the center. And I'm not going to staple it too tight right now because I'm pulling on the end up there, just a little tension. I'm only about 60 yards from my corner. And once I drive these in, it'll keep that wire really tight at the line. The corner's where I'm having some issues, but then I'll just go over here and show you guys. I've got one twist to put in, and this line stretcher will keep something from slipping through the gap about halfway. Once again, just spin her down. And being a little cautious on that wire so that it doesn't unthread, unspool it, untwist it. That's the term. Okay. And you'll notice one is longer than the other, and that's so it can grab that wire, and then it brings it around where the twist can continue, and that'll keep that spread from happening. All right, let's move down and see what else we can get in trouble with.